Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today, I am getting full diamond armor, which technically I already have full diamond armor. As you can see in my inventory, full diamond armor. First time I ever got full diamond armor on the server. But right now I'm getting emeralds. If you saw last video, which I didn't say goodbye because I ran out of time, but if you saw last video, you know that I and Creeper, well, mostly me, I got villagers and a stack of emeralds. We brought it today, not today, oh my god, but we bought it through here, and boom, 2 villagers and 1 stack of emerald. What he asked for a elytra. So yeah, now I'm gonna be walking up to him with full diamond armor and frost walker, which I'm gonna get that right now. So let's get right into it. Those are purple kid ones, chickens. She made like a little, she made like a little hut for them. But I'm gonna use one of these emeralds to get a whole bunch of emeralds. I'm gonna use 1 emerald to get a whole bunch of emeralds. And as you can see, I got a villager that can do that. 1 emerald for an axe, and then I could get the axe. Gotta cover this guy up because I don't want him dead. 1 emerald for an axe, and then axe for trees into sticks into a lot of emeralds. So yeah, that's how I do it sometimes. That's how I get them. I waste 1 emerald, then get a whole bunch more, because my villager does that. Yeah, I literally am gonna have all the villagers that there can be. Literally.
Can I have a couple emeralds?
How much?
5.
Sure. Sometimes Creeper asks me for stuff. Come to the bone meal farm.
No, you come here.
Oh yeah, not Sag. Stormtrooper 82 built this, which is a bone meal farm. And then that drops into here, and then it creates bone meal. But also, this is a sugarcane farm. But this is a automatic tree farm. You put bone meal into there, comes out to here, and then you just put trees there, and then bam. Don't really know how it works. He has to tell us more about it. But I'm gonna go get more trees, and if I have extra, I would probably give it to Creeper. More emeralds. I bet I will get a lot. So I'm gonna get 2 trees, which gives me a lot of oh, that actually does work. Creeper just tested it. But yeah, I will see you guys whenever I have 2 stacks of wood. Actually, no, I'll see you whenever I have 1 stack of wood. Check in, and then go back to get more wood. Anyway, see you whenever I get a stack of wood. Okay, guys, just a sec. Green Kid 1 and his friend Purple, well, kind of, are on here now, So I'm about to get an elytra. See, I just want to show you that. So green, follow me. Your request. Yeah, we did that actually this morning. So where's my elytra? You're also green. Guess what I got this morning? I'm gonna put Frostwalker on my boots. Yeah. Yes. Yo guys, I got a elytra. Boom. Now I'm gonna mend it and stuff.
Can you win this for me? Hunter Diamond?
First let me get back to the video thing. Okay guys, I am back, done getting a bunch of sticks. Now I'm either gonna go to the castle or to okay, sorry about that. I did not know my recording thing was up in the corner. But anyway. Okay, wait. There. Okay. So I got all this sticks. So yeah, so this is a cousin server. So all the cousins go on it. Yeah. I kind of exploded this. I kind of exploded the castle a little bit. But we don't need to talk about that. Yeah, Green is on, and his friend is on. He's not really a cousin, though. Yeah. You kind of scared me, Green. Anyway, yeah, so, yeah, I kind of exploded this castle part, but none of the villagers got hurt. None of the villagers got hurt.
Villagers got hurt and died!
No, it didn't. No. If there was, I would have breeded them and done whatever. I would give him my full... I don't know what I'll do. I'll do whatever he asks for. I'll do whatever he says for next 24 hours and would have made a video about it. That's what I would probably do. Also, comment down below if me and Creeper and Green should do surviving 100 days in hardcore Minecraft without death. So comment down below if we should do that. And sorry about the glitching. I don't mean to do that, but yeah. So check out this house. That was gonna be like that, but then I didn't have a lot of villagers. Oh my gosh, I'm so lagged. So yeah, I'm gonna go sleep and Mantis's house.
I'm sleeping, so.
Oh my gosh, I almost died.
Show me your elytra.
Oh yeah, I gotta let you guys. Oh, you died. See, I gotta light you guys. Which I think I should do that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. See, yeah, now I'm fucking get rid of this creeper. Hey, creeper. Here, creeper. I bet I'm lagged. Oh my gosh, I'm on fire. We'll be right back. Okay guys, I am done with the lag, and I'm gonna get this guy, because now I can do this now. This guy's a master, because we've been trading with him a lot lately. It's like all this. We could buy all that. And I'm at 10 levels, which is good. Because I might want to do it. I need levels to put the thing on my boots. And I need a AFK for rockets.
I said I can give you a stack.
Oh yeah, gunpowder.
Gunpowder.
But yeah. Creeper started doing the walls of the castle green. But oh, I could actually get it now. Not that one. That one. Maybe. Nope. Not that one. Okay, where's it at? There it is. Frost Walker. Oh, I need a book. I need a book.
Can you give me a book?
What?
Can you give me 2 books?
Green, do you have 2 books? For me and Creeper? Green? Hey Green, text if you have 2 books. Green. Green, just unmute for a sec.
Dude, this looks cool. This looks cool.
Yeah, go ahead and check out my another video and yeah, where I tour around Flea SMP. So go check out that video, and I'll see you guys whenever I get the mending book. Okay guys, I am back. Just gonna buy the book. Oh shoot. Run. 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 Did not know that was gonna happen in today's video, guys. Sometime I will do a video of starting a raid. So make sure you guys go to see that video. But I am getting Frostwalker, putting it on my mending book.
Hey, Diamond.
Yep. Yep.
Can you mend my elytra? I don't have enough levels.
Sure.
Yep,
So yeah, I got Frostwalker again because I died once. So
yeah,
then
you
I could
died in
just
that
do this. Wait, it doesn't do it.
What?
Alright, I don't know how to do this.
Can you do it now?
Oh, wait. Oh, I know what to do.
Wait, can you mend it now? You have my book.
Oh, I do? Okay.
Can you mend it for me?
Sure. Let me mend his elytra really quick.
You got my elytra?
Yeah, I do.
You got your elytra?
Yes, I do. Wait, is that... No, that's my book. There. I mended that. That's like 2 levels. There you go.
You got elytra?
Wait, I can't get out.
You got elytra?
Yeah.
Well, put it on.
Just a sec.
What? Who did that?
I don't know.
Question, please, of mine. That's not discipline.
Yeah. Oh, it's there. It's just...